So now at lower position B, see one diagram is shown here. We will use by law of conservation of energy, means you have to use your equation of total energy. Total energy is what? Kinetic energy plus your potential energy. So for that, now you have to find what is the energy at each and every point in this diagram. So now see, at first we will consider lowest position B. Here potential energy means this we have to consider that here reference potential is 0, means we are going to assume it. Okay, so PE, that is potential energy, be 0, and now at this point your motion is going to just start. Okay, the motion is going to just start, so there will be some velocity VB, so kinetic energy will be half mvb square. Okay, so this is potential and kinetic at B. Now come at point D. Potential energy will be mgr, means use your basic definition mgh, but your height covered when the bob will move, means when it will move and come over here, how much height it is covering? R. So the formula will be mgr. Kinetic energy will be again half mvd square. Whatever velocity will be acquired here, substitute in that formula. Now when it will come at highest position A, potential energy will become 2 times of mgr, because see, height covered will be r plus r, so that is 2r. So potential energy will be 2 mgr. Kinetic energy will be half mva square. Okay, now again these 2 points are same. So again, when suppose your string is going in anti-clockwise sense, then again when it will come over here, potential energy will be again mgr, kinetic will be half mv square. Okay, so now to find velocity at lowest position B, you will use the law of conservation of energy. What is that law of conservation of energy? Total energy at B will be same as total energy at A, means energy at any 2 points in this vertical circular motion will be same or constant. That is the law of conservation of energy. Okay, so you will write total energy का formula Ke plus P at B, Ke plus P at A, both are equal. Substitute the values. So Ke at B is half mvb square, P is 0, that is equals to 2 mgr plus half mva square. Okay, now take this half one term, this kinetic energy over here. So when this equation goes here, half an m will come common. So therefore half an m is common. In bracket you will write vb square minus va square, and that is equals to this term as it is 2 mgr. Now m and m will get cancelled. Now next step is, what will remain then? vb square minus v of a square is equals to that half which was over here, it will come here. This 2 is already there, and this 2 is already here, and this 2 will come here, so it will become 4. By mistakenly I have written here 2. Okay, so this is 4 gr. Now from equation 1, means which is the speed at the highest point, that formula is what? va square is rg. So substitute this value over here. This equation we have taken from velocity at the highest position. Okay, so substitute it over here. So v of a square will be rg, and this is 4 rg. Here it is 4. Okay, don't get confused. So 4 rg plus va is rg, so that becomes 5 rg. So velocity, so vb square is 5 rg, or vb is under root 5 rg. Give equation 2. This is the velocity at the lowest position B. Okay, see now that is maximum as compared to your highest position. Okay, so as earlier I told you that when the bob or any object, when it will achieve the highest position, velocity will be minimum, and when it is at the bottom, velocity will be the maximum. Okay, so this is minimum and root of 5 rg is maximum, hence it is proved. Now next you will find velocity at point C or D. Both are the same because both are at the midway position. Okay, so again consider now again by law of conservation of energy. Yeah, you will write total energy at C is equals to total energy at B. Whichever quantity we are known, then with that only you can equate. You can even equate total energy at C is equals to total energy at D. Any one of A and B. So I have taken B. You can take A also. Then again kinetic plus potential at C is equals to kinetic plus potential at B. So that is, substitute the values at C. Kinetic energy is half mvc square plus potential is mgr equal to kinetic at B is half mvb square, potential is 0. So now again take this term, half one term, kinetic energy over there. So half and m will come common. What will remain? Vc square minus vb square, and is equal to, take this mg over here, so that becomes minus mgr. Now m and m will get cancelled and this 2 will come over here. So that is Vc square minus Vb square is equals to minus 2gr. So therefore we want value of Vc square. So that is minus 2gr plus this Vb. Now this is minus, so it will come here, it becomes positive. Now from equation number 2, that is your lowest speed at the lowest position. Vb is what? Root of 5rg. Here we want Vb square, so it will be 5rg. So just substitute that equation. So minus 2gr plus 5rg, that will be root of 3rg, final equation. So this is the equation for velocity at your midway position, and this same will be over here. So now see, what did you got the conclusion? At A it was root of rg, at B it is root of 5rg, and at the midway position it is root of 3rg. So as we said earlier, velocity is maximum at bottom, minimum at highest, and in the midway position it is in between highest and the minimum. Okay, thank you.